Hey Didi,
Hi Gaurav, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Hey, there's a party, so would you like to go with me?
Party where?
One of my colleagues' relative, she's become a MLA, so you should go with me.
Yes, I'll come. I'm excited to come with you.
Oh, let's go. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Congratulations for,
Thank you so
for your
much.
success.
Hello.
Hello.
Meet him. He's my brother.
Congratulations. You
Let's
became an
enjoy.
MLA.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
That is very nice.
Thank you.
If you need any.
If you need any help, you can call me anytime.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I got a mail from I am Uncut and my interview is on 18th.
Oh, wow, that's great news.
Yes, I need to prepare for my interview.
Oh, so if you need any help, then call me.
Yes, I have to join Pragya Institute for my interview preparation.
So if you need money, then use my debit card also.
Thank you, Dad.
Hello Didi.
Hi Gaurav. What happened? You're looking very happy.
Yes, because of Rohit.
Really?
He hadn't called from Rohtak,
Wow, that's great news.
but I'm a little scared.
Why?
What if we could not clear the interview?
Don't worry, I'll call MLA ma'am, so everything will be fine. Hello ma'am.
Hello, Mulya.
Ma'am, actually I need a help you.
Yeah, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, actually my nephew get a mail from IIM Rohtak and his interview on 18 Feb. So can you call theirs to select my nephew?
Yes, I can. Don't worry. We will send me the information of your relative.
Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you.
How are you?
I am good. How about you, sir?
I am also good. So tell me something about yourself.
I am 22-year-old experienced and I completed my graduation from SSN Suboth PG College. During my college, I participated in national workshop and also in my school I I awarded for my 100% attendance.
Okay, so Rohit, now tell me why do you want to do MBA?
After completing my graduation, I gave some interview for job, and during they said I want to go from a training period, and after that they offered me a junior post. So after that I decided to do MBA because MBA gave me opportunity to learn things at fast pace. So that's why I wanna do MBA.
Okay, so why do you think you are a great fit for this MBA program?
I completed my academic from various cities and also I lived with my father in army area and during these I experienced different culture and learned things and adapt in different environment. Also during my college I lead a project in project of member of 4. I think these skills make me a great fit for MBA.
Okay, so now we are gonna talk about some current affairs. So you know about Neuralink?
Yes, Neuralink is an American-based company and it is human brain implant technology-based company and it is funded by Elon Musk and recently it is completed an implant in a human patient.
Okay, Rohit, thank you so much. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay, Rohit, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Hello.
I'm MLA for your area.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. You have interviewed the one person named Rohit.
Yes, I have.
So he is my relative. You select him.
But ma'am, the selection is based on how the interview went.
Doesn't matter. You have to select him. I'm the area of your MLA. You have to select him. It is my order.
Okay, ma'am.
But I am rejected. Now I will call admission academy.
Hello, admission team. I am Rohtak.
Yes, sir. I want to know that I got a mail recently, and in that mentioned that I am involved in malpractice for my interview for
Okay, can you tell me your enrollment number?
23092.
Okay, let me check. So it is written here that you got rejected because of the MLA call. Your interview went very well, but because of the call, the interviewer rejected you.
What call, sir? I don't know about any call.
So it is written here that the MLA of your area called to select you, and that is why the interviewer rejected you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.